Whoa! This KMFurnila Air Fryer looks seriously sleek. The matte finish and square shape feel very modern. I already like how compact it sits on the counter. Let's unbox it and see what it can really do. Here's the 6, 3, 4 quart basket. Surprisingly roomy. The visual window immediately stands out to me. Honestly, that's a feature I didn't know I needed. No more pulling the basket open just to check. That should help keep heat locked in better. I'm setting it up for a family-sized test meal. 6 servings of fries fit easily inside. A whole chicken would fit without crowding. That square basket really uses space efficiently. Now I'm trying the touchscreen controls. The display feels simple, clear, and easy to use. 12 presets are built in for quick, one-touch cooking. Fries, chicken, seafood, bake, reheat, pretty versatile. I like having manual temperature and time control too. It heats up fast, which saves a lot of waiting. The 400 degrees Fahrenheit max gives it strong cooking power. Watching through the window is actually satisfying. You can see the food crisping without interrupting it. That means more consistent results and less guesswork. The basket also feels easy to handle, and cleanup looks refreshingly simple. The non-stick surface is dishwasher safe, which is huge. For busy families, that's a real convenience. For small kitchens, the size makes even more sense. It looks good, cooks well, and saves counter space. If you want an easy, everyday air fryer, consider this one. I'd recommend it for families and compact homes alike. Honestly, it feels like a practical upgrade worth grabbing.